Okay, some of you have asked, is there a way to get a window out without actually breaking the seal on the frame itself? So to do that, we come inside the van, remove the fly screwing. This one's on a hinge, so we'll just pull that up out of the way. Thank you. And in here you'll find, once you unclip the window, you'll find this mechanism here is riveted to a mount. Now the easiest way is to drill out those two rivets there and these two rivets here. That way when your window opens, the whole mechanism will come with the window. Once you've done that, we head outside. So from the outside of the van, this time when you open the window, you'll notice you'll be able to bring it up much further than before, as that mechanism's now with the same window. So you'll see here, you need to pull it up till it's almost 90 degrees so that this shoulder here can come past the frame. What we'll do now is, if we're lucky enough, we should be able to just tap it to the left or the right. And the idea is that we're driving this pin out. Now I can't lower that down because I've come past the frame, but we'll just go a bit more, a little bit of persuasion. Remembering when you do this, keep it at 90 degrees at all times. Did that pin come out?
Yep, that pin came out.
Alright, so now we should be able to take it by hand and just gently coax it. Very gently coax it. Hammer time. Okay, sometimes they'll come easier than this.
But a lot of them are tight like this, so you can see why the other method is probably our preferred method for removing the windows. Because obviously the more you manhandle them, the more risk you've got of smashing or cracking the glass.
I've just put a crack in it just this very moment.
Oh, did you?
In this glass on the top right. The reason you might do this method would only be that you do not want to, for some reason you don't want to take this frame out and reseal.
Yeah, the thing with that is we're of the opinion that if you're putting new windows in, you really want to be resealing anyway. So hence the other methods are preferred.
Here's another problem we didn't count on. We can only bring this one out to the left as the caravan's currently on our hoist. And we've now run into the antenna mount. So we're going to have to pause the video here for a moment. We'll take that mount out.
I think everybody gets the idea anyway. Right. Basically it slides all the way out. You could of course slide it the other way.
If you have any questions about this video, please feel free to contact us. If you haven't already seen our previous video on window removal, that's also available on our Facebook page at Revotech or our YouTube channel Revotech.